My name is Commodore Dr. M.J. John.
My name is Jaya. After retirement, we came here and settled in Kochi.
As we are growing old, we found it difficult, especially to go to the third floor. So then we found this in the YouTubes, and I found that this is convenient, looks very good, and very simple also. And that's why we went for this lift. We are quite happy because now we need not climb. Otherwise, we have got many things on our third floor. We keep things there. It was very difficult for us to climb up to that, and slowly it was difficult to get things from there. After keeping this lift, it's very easy for us to go to the third floor, the loft, and do our work there also. This design is
Design
very
is
good.
beautiful.
Very beautiful, and then
Designed very well.
it fits into a house, and it's not too large. It's not just too small. Two of us can fit into that, and then so it's a smooth, flowing design.